You're welcome on Shareability Uganda e-learning. I'm teacher BETSY NAMUGWERE, going to be taking you through programming foundations with Scratch. This is our very first lesson whereby we are going to do an introduction to the Scratch interface. That's my telephone number. That's our email. So what is Scratch? That's the very first question you have to understand. And Scratch is a very powerful programming language developed to simplify the face of coding for the young children. That means my age bracket will start from 8 years to from 8 years. I think we can start coding with Scratch. It's based on building blocks approach. It uses a simple structure of visual bricks, so you can see it. You can see the blocks whereby you drag and drop. You can get them on the website and on shareability.net/softwares. Then we have another question here. What is programming? What is a program? A program is a set of instructions that tells the computer or other electronic devices what to do. That means everything a computer does, it has to be told. You have to write lines of code. You have to write something for it to know what you're going to do. And even like when you're a young child, like at home, your mother or your father is the one to program you, is the one to set you you have to do this, you have to do this, you have to do this. So when it comes to these computers, we are the ones supposed to set them. We are the ones supposed to give them instructions. Then computer programming or coding is a process of writing codes, a process whereby you write this code, the other. So now Scratch makes it easy. So Scratch makes it easy for users to create their own interactive stories and to share those creations on their web. Hence its popularity with teachers and with children of all age. So let's practice with Scratch. We have opened our Scratch. Whenever I open Scratch, you get a cat by default. Let me first open here on the side of people. So this is where you find your sprites. I think let us take ballerina. So I've picked my sprite, and the name of the sprite is here, and this shows that we are able to see that sprite. And this one, it is for the size. You can either increase it or decrease. So I've increased. That means my sprite has increased. Then Scratch, it's a drag and drop. You drag and drop it where you want it to be. So now I want ballerina to be moving from this side to this side. So that means ballerina has come there. Then this one, the direction 90, when it is 90, it means it comes from this way to this side. At 90, that means the thing is straight. Then the backdrop, that means the background or the stage we are going to use. So let me choose ballerina, where ballerina is going to come from. I think let me take this stage, will work for us. Okay, we have picked the stage, we have got ballerina, but now here there is this option of deleting. If you want to remove the sprite, if you don't like it, you can just click on this, then it deletes it off. That means ballerina is gone. But we can get it here. Just go here back and get the sprite of our choice. That means we can delete and we can bring it back. Okay, So now we are going to this side of chords. Here in this extreme corner we have chords. Then these are the chords. It's like what helps us to give instructions to ballerina. Then we have costume. That means the different styles ballerina is going to appear. Then you have this one when ballerina is now dancing. Then this one. Then this one. But now when we are writing our chords, that means we want to join every style. That means we are going to start here. We are going to just write a short program being our first day. We are going to go here to events. We are going to drag and drop the flag here. The flag helps us to run the program. Then we are going to go here in controls. We want ballerina to repeat dancing for us over and over again. Then we are going to go here into motions. Then we are going to say move 10 steps. That means we want ballerina to dance, but at the same time when she's moving. Then we want ballerina to say something. Want ballerina to say hello. Then we are going to go here and say like if on edge, bounce back. Because if ballerina moves from here to this edge and that means ballerina has to come back. Let us try it, yeah? That's what's run the program and we sing. You see? And again, another thing is she's slow. When we go here, we can increase the speed to 0.5. But now ballerina has not come back. So we have to make sure that we write another chord which says if on edge, bounce back. Ballerina is bouncing back, but she's bouncing back in a wrong way, upside down. So we have to set the rotation style. But now ballerina is just going as if she's just sliding. So we need to look for, we have to go here to in looks, then we say next costume. That means the next style. Yeah, that means now ballerina can dance for us. I think everyone is seeing this. It's so interesting that now ballerina can dance for us. Now here we can even pick any sound of our choice. Any sound, we can pick here any sound. We can pick this pop sound. And here there is an option for us to record any sound of our choice. And let us go with that sound for the meantime. And again here we can like say next backdrop. It gives us allowance of putting another background using various backgrounds. So here we can add another background. So after this, because today we have just come to learn about the interface. So when you want to go to full screen, you press here. So that means we are on full screen. But whenever ballerina is dancing, the background also changes. So now we are going to go back here. I'm going to stop it from here. The red button stops, then the flag starts. Okay, let us stop it. Then when you want to save your work, you go here and you save on the computer, on your computer. Can save it, then you save. Now after saving, that means next time you open your Scratch, you can get it from here, load from computer. Okay.